Oh.
Wow.
That's how much pressure.
I'm back.
You're gonna sit. You are gonna sit in that chair.
Can I still my jaw?
I need it. She needs a lawyer. She wants to sue everyone. I don't know if I should continue with
My
this.
sister's a paralegal.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I don't think I'm gonna continue.
Please do.
I'm done. We're done with this session. I'm gonna put that right there.
Okay.
Okay, we're done with this session. That's it. Gonna hang your arms over the side. Just totally relax. Slide back. Gonna get the occiput bone. Big $3 word for the base of your skull. Sits on your first cervical vertebrae. It gets compressed over time because it's looking down at the phone, driving, and it just slides forward and we're good. Spinal cord gets stuck in there. Right there, that side. Nice and relaxed, right here. Excellent.
That feels so good.
Right?
Do it again.
Now she's demanding. Do it again so I can call my lawyer and see you. Oh,
Wow.
that's how much pressure.
I'm back.
Right there, see this spot right there. Drop that shoulder right there. Let it go. Wow. Oh my God.
My name is no longer Sell Me, it's Glow Stick.
Glow stick. Drop right here. See all this right there. Oh.
That feels so good. Keep going.
Keep going. Before she was afraid.
Forget
Oh
my
God,
lawyer.
no,
Forget my lawyer.
Forget the lawyer, right? You're gonna come lie on your back, face up. The best part.
Okay.
The best part. It'll slide down a little bit.
I'm seeing lights.
Your nervous system, everything opens up.
Mm-hmm.
Give me your hands. It's gonna stretch. Breathe. Keep breathing deep. Keep breathing. Stay right there. You're better off keeping your eyes closed.
You said keep them up?
Nope. Stay right there. Put your head back. And then relax. Gonna decompress right down the midline. Take a nice deep breath in. All the way out.
Oh shit. That feels so good.
Stay back.
Okay.
Keep breathing.
There's more? There's more.
She's just relaxing.
I'm praying.
Praying.
Mm-hmm.
Lose your lawyer's number.
I'm thanking God.
Yes. Very much so. Take a deep breath in. Nice and relaxed.
This is what I'm scared of.
Scared of your ankle?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're tight.
You make me money.
Uh-oh. Are you one of those? No, I'm kidding.
Yes,
Yep.
I am. We are. Yep.
Good. Hey, whatever it takes. That's funny. But this is all tight.
Yeah.
Now, let's stand up. Let's see. How do you feel right now?
I feel great. I feel brand new. It's Cinco de Mayo.
It's already Cinco de Mayo. Stay right there a second. Do we make changes? Ooh, a little bit. See, this is a little different right now.
Lala.
I mean, it's not perfect,
Yeah.
but it's different.
Mm-hmm.
It still needs work, but we definitely made a change. This is a little more even across here.
Yeah.
This is still not good. I don't like this, but maybe we'll do some stretches. We'll stretch, okay? But this, we've made changes. That's good. That's awesome.
I love it here.
Never be afraid to get adjusted.
I used to be afraid.
Not
Now-
anymore.
Now I'm moving in.
Now
This is my bed.
that's it. She's gonna stay right here. And when somebody else comes, I gotta push her off to the side.